A new series has been started in English by Gyani Swaran Singh ji, in which every week he comes over here and talks to us about the importance of Anand Karaj. Last week he had laid the foundation as to why is it important to involve the parents in the selection process, and is it your selection or God's selection? How we have to be understanding and how we have to come to each other and understand that the basic concept of this marriage is union of two souls, and ultimately we have to become one. Let's learn more from Bhai Sahab Bhai Swaran Singh ji. Jiani ji, once again, Vaheguru ji ka khalsa, Vaheguru ji ki fateh. So Bhai Sahab, last time you laid the foundation and you talked about your selection or God's selection.
Yes.
So what should be the criteria and what should the youngsters know before making these choices?
First of all, being a Sikh, we must start our life from the belief in God.
Ji.
And God is, which we say, Almighty.
Right.
And God is within you.
Mm-hmm.
And the life of the human being depends upon four gifts, which is mind, body, soul, and the life.
Right.
And in that system, there is also wisdom, just which is called man, buddha, chit, tehankar.
Ji.
Buddhi. Buddhi means your wisdom.
Mm-hmm.
How can you use your wisdom? Only with the connection with the God, you can enlighten your wisdom more and more. Then you could be very successful, because the help of the God is very important.
Right.
So, especially in this field, how I can choose my partner?
Right.
Okay. Now I had the question last time: your choice or God's choice? As I mentioned, many youth say blindly, my choice is the best. If I do not get married with her, I will commit suicide. And the same thing from the girl.
Right.
Sometimes they say, I will commit suicide. But I had experience in my community for last 10 years or 15 years, there are more divorces now by those couples who chose their partner themselves.
Right.
They did not get the help of Vaheguru. They did not get the help of the friends or the relatives or even from the parents. They are totally blind. They say, I am the boss. But now the question is, if you choose the first, my choice, then what will happen? God is more or less out of the picture. If you choose the second, pray daily as follows. Now we have to see, if you choose the second, that God's choice is the best choice. So then what you have to do, then after that, when you do that, then you have to do what? Now another thing is, in the second case, you are free from your responsibilities, and the result is bound to be harmonious, because it is from the action of unerring and Almighty Father, Mother, Vaheguru, who is love. When you believe in God, then leave this responsibility upon God. Then also, if we choose the second one, believe in God, then we must do the prayer, and also we must know what to do. The first thing is, being a Sikh, we are Sikh only at this time. Majority of the Sikhs are only Sikh by birth.
Right.
And being by birth, majority of youth people who are not guided by the parents, guided by the relatives, they do not know anything about the religion. They are totally ignorant. But if I believe in God and Guru Granth Sahib is my Guru, as we say, Agya Pahi Akal ki tabi chalayo panth, sab sikhan ko hukam hai, Guru Manyo Granth. I just translated this word Guru Manyo Granth in a different way. That means if you recognize Guru Granth Sahib as your Guru, because recognize the word is different. How many of us recognize that Guru Granth Sahib is my Guru?
Is that Guru?
Very few people. We just say, oh, Guru Granth Sahib is my Guru, my Matha Tekda, I just do Langar, I just do the Akhand Path.
Right.
That means we have not recognized Guru Granth Sahib as our Guru.
Ji.
Many people. And even Guru Nanak Dev Ji was seen by thousands of people. And many saw his face, his body.
Ji.
But only Lehna said, I recognize him that he is my true Guru.
Right.
Not by face, but by knowledge.
Ji.
So therefore, if you are a devoted Sikh, you must be, before you get married, you have to, do you read Guru Granth Sahib? That's the question.
Right.
But majority of us will say no. There is nothing written in Guru Granth Sahib that, in Guru Granth Sahib mentioned, you read Gurbani,
Ji.
you listen to the Gurbani. But there is nowhere it is written that you should get read Gurbani by
From
others.
somebody else. Right.
But mostly we do that.
We do the opposite. Absolutely, because we feel that we are getting Guru Granth Sahib read by a Granthi or Sapati.
That's right.
And that's it, our duty is done. But we are not following and recognizing
We
as
got
you
the
have said.
fruit
Right.
out of that. So therefore, personally, my view is that every Sikh, girl or boy, must read Guru Granth Sahib every day.
Ji.
Little bit, one page, half page, one shabad. Okay, if we do that, I am just asking the youth,
Ji.
do you read Guru Granth Sahib? If you do you understand what it says?
Ji.
That's the second step. Then the third step is, do you act what it says?
Ji.
Do you have the action according to Gurbani? Did you fix up your lifestyle according to that? Because Guru Granth Sahib is telling us the way of life,
Ji.
practical way of life. And if you wish a harmonious life, after the marriage, Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the only guide for you.
Ji.
There is no other guide for a Sikh without Guru Granth Sahib.
Ji.
So our first thing is that we should read Guru Granth Sahib also every day.
Ji.
And another thing, the question is, do you want a husband, wife of the type you have pictured in your imagination? Every person has imagination before we
Right.
get married, or you wish of God's selection, which one you want. Mostly we choose our own imagination.
Right.
In the first case, responsibility will be yours. And you may have an uncertain future, more or less beyond your control.
Ji.
Okay. I ask you, if you choose the first one, God's choice, then what you have to do every day? It's not a bad idea, it's a very good idea. Pray daily.
Right.
See that God is present. Pray like that. Do prayer, do ardas the way that I am just talking with face to face to Almighty God.
Ji.
In this way, that prayer must be heard and it will be fulfilled. That's my own experience in my life.
Right.
Okay, as God is always present, and you are addressing Him in right, earnest, and not as mere in lips service, but from your mind.
Right.
So this is the way if we do ardas for this, and also if we do that, then the next thing which is very interesting, oh my Vaheguru, my desire is so and so. I'm not perfect, and my human mind is satisfied only with such and such picture.
Ji.
But it is human and is liable to error. That I could make a mistake.
Right. So guide me.
Yeah, guide me. I place it at your feet.
Right.
Oh my Father, Vaheguru, love, change my desire. If you necessary as to eliminate error and then approve it.
Right.
Okay, change my human mind as well as so as to accord with change. I am your ignorant child. Enlighten me and guide me.
Right.
This is also the part of the ardas. When you do in this way, you are creating a relationship with your Guru.
Ji.
Educate, and after doing this ardas every day, educate and raise your consciousness
Right.
through Gurbani, through spirituality, in daily prayer,
Ji.
to see, feel, and acknowledge God as Father.
जी.
mother, love. Do not doubt. When you do ardas, never have the doubt, because God is almighty. If look at the whole system, how God is controlling
Right.
even between planets. You know that in between the planets, you see how they are arranged,
Oh,
and
yeah.
everything is perfect.
Right, and
Yeah.
everything is moving on in the right perspective. Yeah.
That's right. So, therefore, acknowledge that you were born through the power of God.
Right.
Without His system, this body could not be designed. This body is totally perfectly designed.
Right.
And even your mother could not make even one nail, one hair.
Right.
She had no any ability about that.
Absolutely.
But how God designed your body, absolutely, it's totally perfect.
Absolutely, it's magnificent, and just have faith and surrender to God.
That's
It's a
right.
wonderful advice what you're giving. We'll have some more advice from you after this break.
Okay.
Once again, welcome back to the program. Everyone wants to have a happy married life, but why is that many a times we find that happiness is not to be found? It's because, as Paisab has said before the break, that the foundation is not strong. So that's why we need to make our foundation strong, and that can only happen if we have faith in God, and if we have faith in our parents also, and in our abilities also, that whatever God is doing is going to be good for us. Let's have some more wisdom from Paisab Swaran Singh ji. Ji.
I was just talking about to educate and raise your consciousness, because
Ji.
your consciousness is your best friend.
Right.
Because consciousness is an office opened by Almighty Vaheguru within your mind,
Right.
which is always guiding you to give you the right direction. Because religion is the guidelines, and we have to follow them.
Ji.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was a practical scientist in the spiritual life. And as I believe that all our 10 gurus and the saints or the Bhagavad or sages, they were all spiritual scientists.
Right.
Whatever ideology they gave, it was all based upon truth.
Ji.
And truth is never changed. We know the values of the human life.
Ji.
We must understand the human values, and we must understand the spiritual values, we must understand the family values. And those are to be maintained,
Right.
because those are called a constitution of your life. So religion tells us the practical way of life.
Right.
And Harpreet Singh Ji, religion is also is science,
Ji.
and it is a science of soul.
Soul.
Up till now, we have searched everything, but the scientist could not find even the concept of the soul. But soul is there.
Ji.
99% they believe that without soul, I am zero.
Ji.
With the soul, I am everything. So that means the soul is the source of Vaheguru. God has given you this soul
Ji.
to live in this world for a certain period of life,
Right.
period of time. So therefore, we must understand God is great, and He is always helpful to me.
Ji.
And also, we should not have the doubt about His existence and about His power. And He will, that His will, God's will, can ever be unsuitable to you. You must remember that His will is always suitable to you.
Absolutely.
God,
That's why we always say, Tera pana meetha lage.
because God, when He gave me the birth, He gave me the life, and He is looking after me, and He is the sustainer of my life.
Right.
You are talking with me, I am talking with you. It's all due to the being a sustainer
Right.
power which is living with me. That's why
Absolutely.
we are talking.
Yeah.
So therefore, Vaheguru is so great. And sometimes I say, there is no place without the power of God.
Right.
Bin naave nahi ko thao.
Theek.
There is no place where He is absent. So, next thing is, in proportion your consciousness is filled with His love,
Right.
you will achieve your object. Now, how can you do that? Another thing is important. Every day when you do ardas
Ji.
for this purpose, for your partner to choose, or daily satisfaction and calmness of mind are preliminary signs to show that you are on the right path. You will get chardi kala in your mind. You will feel, oh my God, my Vaheguru is always guiding me and I am getting better life.
Ji.
Get help from an advanced Atam science student or get blessing from a devoted Gursikh also.
Ji.
These are very helpful in your marriage life. So this is also very important. You know, what God is in Guru Nanak Dev Ji's ideology. Vaheguru is running this universe
Right.
in perfection. It's only the mist of Maya or evil which encircles us and does not permit us to see the perfection in somewhat modified form or imperfect form. So that means we are trapped in Maya. When we are trapped, we are on the wrong path. Now, but in his real perfect universe,
Ji.
you are created as perfect in every respect. Okay, the drop of the water and the ocean
R1.
are one. The ocean can live without the waves,
Yeah.
but the waves cannot live
Without the ocean.
ocean.
Ji.
The sun and the sun rays are the same.
Ji.
The rays cannot survive without the sun,
Yeah.
but the sun can survive without the rays.
Rays. Ji.
Same way, as a human being, each creature
Ji.
and Vaheguru, the creator, are the same.
Right.
But only the difference is that the creator can live without
the
the
creature.
creatures. But the creatures cannot survive without the creator.
Right.
You must understand the Karta Purkh. The idea of Guru Nanak was 100%. Ik and Omkar.
Yeah.
Ik, one, and Omkar, the expansion of one.
Yeah.
That we are the part of that one.
Right.
And that one is the ultimately God, Vaheguru, which is which I told you, He is Almighty.
Right.
Okay, in His real perfect universe, this universe is perfect.
Ji.
You are created as perfect in every respect because you and Vaheguru
R1.
are one. The husband, wife,
Ji.
you are seeking is already provided there. A most suitable and desirable one. You and your husband, wife are one
Ji.
because they are created from the same creator. We must understand that woman is not the commodity or the property of the man.
Right.
We must understand also woman is not your shoes and woman is not a piece of poison and woman is not a valve. Woman is not your slave
Right.
as mostly majority of the people they think.
Ji.
Woman is not for your pleasure. Because if you think in that way, then your life will be imbalanced throughout your life.
That's right, and that's what in Guru Granth Sahib we get the message that we are equal. That's the concept what Guru Sahib has given us.
Without thinking equality, your life will be unbalanced.
Unbalanced.
Because even if you think about that, the woman has to work 5 or 4 hours more than man.
Ji.
And it is true.
Right.
And still she is not tired. But man who does work 8 hours, then he says, oh, I get tired, I should drink some dram of alcohol.
Right.
And he has only one excuse, I am tired.
Ji.
But then the children ask his father, their father, what about mom? She worked 8 hours a day, then she worked at home and she gets up early in the morning, she sleeps later than you go to sleep. Then why she is not drinking?
Ji.
Because only the man is thinking, I am superior than the woman.
Ji.
So what we should remember that Guru Nanak Dev Ji declared in this world first time 500 years ago, so kyun manda akiye jit jamme rajan.
Ji.
Rajan does not mean only Raje.
Yeah.
Rajan means the people who have the life. That means all of us are born from the woman.
Right.
So woman should be considered not as a misguidance for the human being. nobody was born without woman.
Right.
And ultimately, in this ideology, which the husband wife you are seeking is already provided there. You and your husband wife are one. That means spiritually
You're one.
you are one. Provided with all necessaries of life in an unceasing flow.
Ji.
Now look at the structure of the man and the woman.
Ji.
And I believe that the body of the woman is totally sacred. Each part of the body of the woman is sacred.
Ji.
And it should not be exposed in the bazaar. Why? Because this woman's body is not for sale.
Right.
But mostly the businessmen,
Oh yeah.
She's
She's being used as a commodity. She's being now used as a commodity to enhance their projects and other things.
Yeah, they're selling their
Very right.
product through the exposure of the body
Absolutely.
of the woman.
Right.
So therefore, it's also very important to understand about that.
Absolutely. That's again a very important point what you have discussed today, that imbalance which is being created is because of not having that understanding. And what you have said, Guru Sahib is giving us understanding. And if we start having faith, then automatically our life will be balanced. It was a pleasure once again having you over here. Thank you very much for your time. Next week we'll continue with the discussion. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੀ ਸਮਾਪਤੀ। ਫੀਡਬੈਕ ਲਈ 604 603 7555 ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਈਮੇਲ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰੋ harpreetsing@gmail.com। ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ youtube.com/harpreetsing show ਤੇ ਵੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇੱਕ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕੇ। ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਕੋਈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਫਿਰ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਗੁੱਡ ਬਾਏ।